You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We're looking at how to say that's very good, or that's good, or very good. In French, how do you pronounce it? C'est très bon, meaning it's very good. It's très, very bon, good. C'est très bon, c'est très bon. So if you're invited to a place to eat, for example, it's typically where you would say this phrase. C'est très bon is how you say very good. It's very good in French, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.